Hi, Milorad here. I am here at Springfield Park in Rowlett, Texas, my favorite place to go. And today, wow, it's kind of pretty windy. I hope this audio is going to be okay. I came today to see if wild onions or chives are out. And when I was driving to this place, I saw there's some birds there because it looks like we had a rain last night or something. And I see some white birds, probably egrets. And I'm going to look for wild onions anyway, but I have my R6 Mark II camera with 100 to 500 millimeter lens plus 2x extender. And if I see any of those birds, I will go and take some pictures. Let's go into the park looking for wild onions or chives. Because I want to cook today, I want to use those wild onions in my cooking today. There is this field that I saw those birds, and I actually see them right now, but they are not white, they are kind of very dark. I think those are herons, maybe a little bit young, very young herons. They look kind of bluish dark color. Well, the problem is there's a lot of water on this field. I didn't mean to go into this field because it's still underwater, but to get a little bit closer and take a little bit better pictures, I think I'm going to wet my feet. And those blue herons they don't let me even come even closer, because they usually go and fly away. Although there's some small birds here on this tree. Let's see if I can take pictures. There you can see there's standing water in this grassy area, and my blue herons are right there feasting on those crabs. They are definitely a little blue herons. Those herons are intriguing me. I need to take more pictures of them. I think they are in a good distance right now for taking pictures. Today birding part of shoot is over. Still have some very useful pictures for today's video. Now I will go and try to do a little bit of foraging for wild onions or chives that I initially came for, but looks like I will need to go to my car and take a knife or some sharp object, because looks like the ground is still pretty hard and I cannot take those wild onions out completely with a bulb. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay for the gallery of today's photo shoot, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Milorad out. There I can see American coot right here. change position and take some pictures. And these other two birds, they are cormorants. That cormorant is kind of unusual, standing on some kind of tree branch or bush, and it has lots of white color. Maybe it's a different one, or it's maybe a young one or something. I'm going to check it closer. They are definitely a little blue herons. There's one just coming there. Looks like there's some crabs there that they are after. There's a flock of some ducks that I never saw before in this pond. Huh. They are good looking ducks. I'm going to take some pictures before they fly away. Look at that turtle with head out of water. They're usually very shy, but this one is letting me take a good video and I hope pictures. Wow, I think this is a snapping turtle. Never see her in this pond. It's much bigger than those red ear turtles. Yeah, definitely snapping turtle.